Hey everyone, so there's a function on the iPad that will allow you to get better sound. So one thing that happens with the iPad and Zoom is that when the sound's too loud, it actually squishes it. So that's sometimes why you hear the sound sort of cutting in and cutting out. So there's a function on the iPad that will correct this. I'm just going to share my screen with you here. So the first thing is you have to go into the Zoom app before you go into a meeting. Okay, so it's actually on the Zoom home screen. So if you check right here, you'll see this, and there's a bunch of different options. We're going to go to settings here at the bottom. So if you click settings, you'll see right here, there's a tab for meetings. If you click meetings, you have a bunch of settings specific to your Zoom meetings. Now what we want to find is one called Use Original Sound. So I'm just going to go right here. If you can see here, it says Use Original Sound. Now underneath it says this will allow you to enable or disable original sound in a meeting. Original sound will turn off noise suppression. So that's what we want. We actually want to turn off noise suppression, especially for the louder instruments. We want all of the sound to come through Zoom. So turn on Use Original Sound, and then you go back, and next time you join a meeting, you'll have an option on your Zoom screen that will enable you to use original sound, and that's how we'll get the best quality sound for our music lessons. Okay, have a great one, and we'll see you soon.